Today is Tasty Tuesday, and I'm going to show you how to make my own version of Nutella Fudgesicles. Today I'm going to make my Nutella Fudgesicles. Why, you ask? Why not? I love Nutella. I love something cold to snack on in the hot summer months. Boom! Merge the two together, you got Nutella Fudgesicles. These are creamy and delicious and so addictive, and they are loaded with Nutella flavor. They are so easy to make, and I am just so thrilled to share this with you because it really takes seconds to put this together. The fridge does all the work. The ingredients you'll need are very few and simple. Let's start making it. Follow me! The first thing for Nutella Fudgesicle is the popsicle molder and those popsicle sticks. You can use the one that comes with a set or the classic wooden popsicle sticks. Let's go over the ingredients. First, you'll need some milk, creamer, sweetened condensed milk, chocolate drink powder, and of course some Nutella. You're also going to need a blender. This is a really simple recipe. Let me tell you, I made it a bunch of times and it turns out good all the time. And I tried to control myself not to eat them all the time. That's how great these popsicles are. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is take the milk and put this into the blender. I find using the blender much easier than trying to use a hand mixer, because with a hand mixer it tends to splash all over the place. Let's put the creamer, chocolate drink powder, sweetened condensed milk, and the star of the show, the Nutella. Now I'm going to turn this blender on and I'm going to mix it until it's thoroughly combined. If some of it comes up on the side, like sometimes the Nutella might splash on the side, and I'll just scrape that down. And now it's done, and we'll just fill up these molds. These are my favorites. I like fudgesicles if you ever had those, but with the Nutella in there, over the top. So now I'm going to put the little tops on. So cute, right? So now I'm going to put this in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Then later I'll show you what they look like. Alright, Alright, the Nutella Fudgesicles are ready! So let's try it. This is so incredibly rich! I love it! This is perfect! Delicious! Over the top. It's super creamy. Take a look. Super creamy, super yummy. It's so good. You have to try this. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure the big thumbs up and comment down below other things you want to see and we'll make it happen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you na tomorrow, but on the next day. Peace out.